In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GCash as payment method in Foodpanda. By the end, you'll be able to check out smoothly using your GCash wallet right inside the Foodpanda app. First, open the Foodpanda app on your device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection so the checkout process goes through without hiccups. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to have the latest version installed for the best experience. Next, browse and place your order by adding your desired items to the cart. Pick your restaurant or shop, choose the dishes or products you want, and confirm any options like size, add-ons, or special instructions. When you're happy with your selections and you're ready to pay, it's time to move to the cart. Go to your cart to review everything. This is where you can double-check your item list, adjust quantities, and make sure your delivery address and delivery time look correct. Taking a quick moment here helps avoid surprises later. If you have a voucher or a promo, ensure it's already applied before you proceed. Now, tap Review. Payment. On the payment method screen, select GCash. You should see it listed among the available options. Choosing GCash will route you through a secure process to authorize the payment. This is normal and helps keep your transactions safe. Follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to confirm your GCash details, authenticate with your preferred verification method, and approve the total amount. Simply continue through each step as it appears. Keep the app open and avoid switching away during this part to prevent the session from timing out. Once the GCash authorization is successful and you're back on the Foodpanda checkout screen, do a final glance at your order summary. Make sure the payment method shows GCash, your delivery details are correct, and the total looks right. When everything checks out, click Place Order. That's it. Your order will be submitted and you'll see a confirmation on screen along with an estimated delivery time. If you don't see GCash as an option, try updating your Foodpanda app or checking again a little later, as availability can vary. And if a prompt doesn't load, a quick app restart or a stronger connection usually fixes it. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you want to pay with GCash on Foodpanda and enjoy a quick, secure checkout every time.